there, I'm Mrs. C, and this is Math Defined. Today we're writing and solving one-step algebraic equations. Let's start with this statement. A number divided by -9 is -16. I've highlighted the key words here because these are the secret to easily translating this sentence into an equation. Let's break it down step by step. The first phrase, a number, will be replaced with a variable. Let's call it n. Next, the phrase divided by represents division. Finally, the word is translates to equals. Now we can easily see the equation. N divided by -9 equals -16. But remember, when writing division with a variable, it's best to express it as a fraction. Now all that's left to do is solve for n. To undo the division, we multiply both sides of the equation by -9. On the left side, the -9's cancel each other out, leaving n. On the right side, -16 times -9 is positive 144. So n equals 144. And that's how we solve it. Next up, we have this statement. The product of 15 and a number is -75. I've highlighted the key words again to help us easily translate the sentence. Product represents multiplication. We'll use the variable n to represent a number, and the word is translates to equals. Now we can write the equation. 15 times n equals -75. But in algebraic form, we simplify by removing the multiplication sign. To solve for n, we need to undo the multiplication by dividing both sides by 15. On the left, the 15's cancel out, leaving n. On the right, -75 divided by positive 15 is -5. So n equals -5. And that's your solution. This time, the statement is a number multiplied by 2/5 is 3/20. Can you translate this sentence on your own? We'll use the variable n for a number. Multiplied translates to multiplication, and the word is translates to equals. Writing it as an algebraic equation, we get 2/5 n equals 3/20. To solve for n, we multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 2/5, which is 5/2. On the left side, the fractions cancel out, leaving n. On the right side, we can simplify before multiplying by cross-canceling 5 and 20, since they share a factor of 5. Now multiplying the numerators, 3 times 1 is 3, and then the denominators, 4 times 2 is 8. So n equals 3/8. All right, here's the last problem for today. The quotient of a number and -1.5 is 21. Let's tackle it together one more time and finish up strong. Let's break down the key words. Quotient represents division. A number will be represented by the variable n, and is means equals. Now let's write this equation in algebraic form. N over -1.5 equals 21. Solving for n, we will multiply both sides of the equation by -1.5. On the left side, the -1.5's cancel out, leaving n. On the right side, 21 times -1.5 is -31.5. So n equals -31.5. Awesome work today. Now you're ready to write and solve any one-step equation like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you out. And until next time, keep math awesome.